Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is William Jamming, and I just bought a camera. This really cool webcam that can follow me around. I love this, and I think I want to test this camera, and I want share some of my life with you guys. So as you guys already know that I made a lot of videos and I want to show you guys how I made these videos. So I made this video in this really tiny room. Okay, let's move around. So I got this bed and all this messy stuff, and then yeah, this is the wall. So really small room. So that's the room where I made all this video, and I got my camera as well as my computer before me, and because I work 18 hours a day, so I have a serious back pain. A few years ago I like raised all my computer up to height like this. So here is my keyboard, by the way. So here's my keyboard, so I can type and draw and make program as well as record video while I'm standing. So that's why I bought this camera that can follow me, because I love to like walk from like a place to place while I record things. So I want this camera to follow me. So maybe I will like make a mask that can mask my face. Oh, by the way, this camera have a zoom function. Let me just show you. Okay. Okay. Maybe it did not recognize it. Doesn't really matter. I remember I like a switch it off because of the just really hot. So I okay let me just test things out. Lock target zoom, yeah, as well as lock target zoom factor. Can zoom like, okay, let's dynamic zoom. Okay, let's try this. So zoom. It doesn't really change. Zoom. Okay, let's dynamic zoom. Yeah, I can do that. So yeah, yeah, and maybe in the next video I think I will make a mask that can mask my like upper body. Maybe it's just here. Okay, just make a circle, and then things the camera can move me around, so I can while I'm working I feel I'm more like creative and more enthusiastic. So I think that's a good way to actually share with you guys all sort of information, and while creating, especially I got two channels, major channels. One is for programming, the other is for digital art. So I want to be creative, and while I'm actually doing the like programming recording, I would like clip myself and make myself smaller to the side, and then cast my screen to here. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and I think that's the end of the video. Yeah, that's it. I experienced a lot of like major life changes, and I decided it's time to go back to my normal life and then start actually working again. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for your support for this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.